Okay, good morning and welcome to Wisconsin, where we had a little blizzard last night. This is a shot onto my balcony. I'm on the second story and the snow's probably about 4 feet high. There's not really a good way for me to measure. Let's see if I'm holding it far enough. So far, one of my neighbors, I think, has managed to get out. Ta-da! That was after at least an hour of digging. Oh, two neighbors. Two neighbors have gotten out. And at least two more valiantly trying. Pretty much all the schools are closed today. A lot of businesses, not quite enough. I don't think, because people are still trying to go to work. Sherry's gonna come pick me up in a very big truck, not back here, out on the main road, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to get up the hill, even with front-wheel drive. So, happy snow day, everybody.